Hello everyone. In this demo, I will walk you through the lab order and lab result process in the EMR. So for this workflow, we will start with the patient's encounter. If you have not created the encounter, we will create it first. So for creating the encounter, we will select the patient and then we click on this plus item. Now here we can select all the necessary details. And then we can just save the encounter. And as the encounter is now already created, we will start with the lab order creation. First, your practice lab has to define all contracted labs. Now, each lab can have multiple tests or panels configured for easy ordering. So for this, we will go to admin, then address book, and here we will add a new lab service. The type would be lab service. The organization, let's say it's for demo blood lab service. Now we will select the director, and then after adding all the necessary details, we'll click on save. If you will scroll down, you can find that this demo blood labs service is created. Now for creating lab procedure, we will go to procedure and providers. Then here we will add a new provider. The name would be the demo blood lab service, and then we will just click on save. Now we will go to procedure, then configuration, then we'll click on add, and then here we will first create a discrete result. The name would be, for example, for blood test for demo lab, for demo service. And now, as it is the result and it is for blood test, we will define the units here. We will select the range and then we will save. Now as we have created a discrete result, then we will click on the plus icon over here, and then in the procedure tier, this time we will create a procedure order, and the name again would be blood test demo, and then in the order from, we have to select this demo lab that we already created previously. Now we will click on save. Now this test is now allocated to this demo lab service that we created previously. Now for ordering a test during an encounter, we will click on the patient encounter. We'll click on orders, then procedure order, and here in the procedure order we can select this demo lab, and then we will fill all the necessary details. And after that we will just click on save, and then if we will go to encounter, you can see that this demo lab service procedure is now created here. And we are done. This is how the lab order workflow is initiated to any patient, and this is how we create lab orders and lab procedure in this EMR. Thank you so much for watching.